To change nameservers at Namecheap, start by logging into your Namecheap account and go to the Domain Manager section. Here you will see a list of all your registered domains. Click on the Manage button next to the domain you want to update. In the Domain Manager section, click on the DNS Manager tab and then click on the Nameservers tab. You will see the current nameservers listed, and below that, you will have the option to enter custom nameservers. To change the nameservers, select the option to use custom DNS and enter the new nameserver details. These are usually provided by your web hosting company or another DNS service provider. Typically you will need to enter at least 2 nameservers, often labeled as NS1 and NS2. For example, if your web hosting company provides you with the nameservers NS1, example hostcom, and NS2, example hostcom, you would enter these into the custom nameserver fields. Make sure to enter the correct nameserver details, as incorrect information can cause your website to go offline. Once you have entered the new nameserver details, click on the Save Changes button to apply the updates. It can take up to 48 hours for the changes to propagate globally. Although it often happens much faster, it is essential to note that changing nameservers will not affect your domain registration, but it will change where your domain is pointing in terms of DNS. This means that if you have any existing DNS records, such as email or subdomain records, they may need to be updated to reflect the new nameservers. To avoid any downtime, it is a good idea to set up the new DNS records before changing the nameservers. This way, when the nameserver change is made, the new DNS records will be in place, and your website and email should continue to function without interruption. In summary, to change nameservers at Namecheap, log into your account, go to the Domain Manager, select the DNS Manager tab, and update the nameservers with the new custom DNS details. Make sure to enter the correct information and allow time for the changes to propagate. By following these steps, you can easily update your nameservers and manage your domain's DNS settings.